Good everyone, this is ESOLVES, and this is our next problem, which is 2.4. So, yan, start na tayo with the given. A 2,650 pound car, so weight natin is 2,650 pounds, is traveling at sea level at a constant speed. So, walang given dyan na density, pero alam natin na sea level siya. So, sinabi na sea level. So, therefore, ang density sa sea level is 1.22558 kilogram per meter cube. Tapos, constant speed, its engine is running at 4,500 revolutions per minute. So, papansin natin, revolutions per minute is a unit for the engine speed. So, engine speed is represented by NE. So, 4,500 revolutions per minute. And it's producing 175 feet-pound torque. So, feet-pound, that is our torque, which is represented by ME. So, that is 175 feet-pound. It has a drivetrain efficiency of 0.90 or 90%. So, drivetrain efficiency, that is our ND, 0.90. At a drive axle slippage of 2.2%. So, I ang variable niya. So, that is 0.02. 15-inch radius wheels, radius of 15 inches, and an overall gear reduction ratio of 3.3 to 1. So, gear reduction ratio is represented by this. So, tawagan na siyang EO. EO ang tinatawag ko dyan. So, EO is equal to 3 to 1. So, that would be 3 divided by 1. That is 3. So, erase ko na lang. Tapos, if the car's frontal area is 21.5 feet squared, so AF is equal to 21.5 feet squared. What is its drag coefficient? So, ang required natin is RCD. So, since marami yung natin, yung given natin, at first, mahihirapan tayo kung ano ba talagang gagawin dito. So, let's identify the equations first. So, equations. Papansin natin, meron tayong AF may CD. So, that's our first equation na yung yan, kasali niyan ang aerodynamic resistance. So, that would be RA is equal to density over 2 CD AF V squared. Next naman, meron tayong kung may RA or kung merong aerodynamic resistance, meron tayong rolling resistance. So, kasali na rin yan. RRL is equal to FRL WV. Next, meron tayong MENE. So, ibig sabihin, kasali na yan ang natin, yung ganito, MEEO and D all over R. So, ang tawag dyan is RFE or the tractive effort. Next naman, meron din tayong I. So, saan natin yan mahanap, yung I na yan? Ibig sabihin, nandyan yan sa 2 pi R NE1 minus I all over EO. Next, yan, nasali na lahat natin na equations using these givens kasi available siya, di ba? Pero ang pinaka-focus natin is yung CD natin. Paano ba natin mahahanap yung CD? So, check natin. Meron tayong density, meron. CD meron. AF meron. V squared, hahanapin pa rin. Hahanapin pa lang. So, hanapin natin yung velocity since available siya dito. So, V, find velocity. So, V is equal to 2 pi R N E 1 minus I all over EO. So, 2 pi, radius natin is 15. Wait, may nakalimutan tayong gawin, which is to convert our values. Ay, sorry. Sa metric system. So, 2,000, isulat ko na lang siya in blue. So, 2,650 pounds is equal to 2,650 times 4.448. That is 11,787.2 newtons. Ito, naka-convert na. Ito, para ma-input natin siya sa formula, dapat naka-rev per second. So, 45 divided by 60. So, that is 75 rev per second. Ito, dapat naka-newton meters to. So, 175 nasa taas ng feet, nasa baba. So, times 0.3048 times pound times 4.448 equals 237.25632. ND okay na, I okay na. Inch, 15 inches to meters. That is 0.381 meters. EO okay na. Feet, so 21.5 times 0.3048 squared. That is 1.99742 meters squared. So, proceed na tayo dito sa velocity natin. So, 2 pi r natin is 0.381 times NE. NE natin is 75 rev per second. 1 minus I, 0.02. EO. EO natin is 3. So, therefore, our V would be equal to 58.65039 meters per second. So, nahanap na natin yung V natin. So, yan, nahanap na natin yung velocity natin. Pero unknown pa rin yung CD, which is what is required in the problem. So, proceed tayo sa paghanap ng RA tapos RRL. So, RA natin is equal to density over 2 CDAFV squared. Substitute natin, that is 1.22558 all over 2. CD natin is our unknown. AF is equal to 1.99742 1.99742 times V squared. That is 58.65039 squared. So, simplify lang natin tong values na to. At itabi natin siya sa CD. So, that would be equal to 1.224,210.39530 or 3 CD. So, yan. That is our aerodynamic resistance. Next naman natin hanapin is our rolling resistance, which is equal to FRL, which is 0.01 times 1 plus V over 44.73 times our weight, which is 11,787.2 newtons, times our velocity, which is 58.65039. Oh, hindi na pala kasali dito yung V. Kasi ang hinahanap natin is yung rolling resistance lang, hindi naman yung power. So, there's no need for V here. So, yan lang yung formula ng rolling resistance natin. So, input natin yung V natin. Our RL would be equal to 272.42686. So, yan na yung resistance natin, rolling resistance. So, ngayon na nahanap natin, merong concept sa road vehicle for performance na ang force or ang tractive effort in this case is equal to RA plus RRL plus RG. Pero in this case na ano, nasa level yung surface natin, ibig sabihin wala tayong grade resistance. So, meron lang tayo yung aerodynamic resistance at rolling resistance. So, ang hanapin naman natin ngayon is yung Fe natin, which is this formula. So, Fe is equal to Me. Me natin is 237.25632. EO ratio natin is 3. And D that is 0.90 all over R, which is 0.381. So that Fe would be equal to 1,681.344 newtons. So, equate na natin siya. Yung Fe natin is 1,681.344 newtons equals RA natin is 4,210.3953 CD plus RRL natin is 272.42686. So, hanapin na natin yung CD natin. That would be equal to 0.33463. So, yan na yung drag coefficient natin. And yan yung hinahanap sa problem.